Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Goodman furnace error code F02. How to fix. Here you will see I am in the official website of Reddit where the people provide their opinion and solution regarding this. Here you will see the problem is I got the furnace to come back on, but the code H6 F02 won't clear. Install a new flame sensor and blew out the hoses. One had water in it, but the code still keep coming on. Did I miss something? Here in the down, people provide their opinion and solution regarding this. One people says that there is a clarification at your unit. Please open some literature and read about unit. If everything is operational, I am not sure of the question or issue. So first read about your units. Here you will see the another people says that hey there did you ever figure out what the issue was? The another people says that I believe was because one of the hoses has water in it. These are the people's opinion regarding this. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.